Okay, you guys, I'm about to board an international flight with a tired 2.5-year-old. So send me all of your prayers. I'm going to give you a quick tour of everything that I'm taking on the flight to make this flight a lot easier for everyone involved. Okay, this is Sebastian's carry-on. It's a small little backpack by Skip Hop, our favorite brand, and I had him fill it up with his favorite cars, and I made sure that there's 10 of them, so when we're going from city to city, I can pause and make sure we didn't leave anything behind. I have the iPad downloaded with a bunch of his favorite Peppa episodes. I have some Elmo ones. I have a few movies because you can't survive the flight without iPad. Last but not least, I have this thing from Jet Kids. I'm going to show you guys how this takes their seat to like almost like a bed if they're a baby, or like a really comfortable seat as a toddler, and I'm going to show you as soon as I get on the plane. So I'm officially in Italy. I had an overnight flight and I did not get any sleep, so I probably look really tired. But the first thing I like to do when I get to Rome is go visit the Trevi Fountain because I think it's like the most beautiful thing ever. So we are walking there now. Okay, this is the piazza that the Pantheon is at. That's the Pantheon right there. It is warm and crowded today. But look how cute this place is. There's Sebastian. So we are leaving Rome today. Hi. Hi. And we are gonna go to Tuscany for a few days. And Sebastian's gonna get to go on a choo-choo train. Right. One taxi only, okay. Okay, you guys, I had a really quick 48 hours in Rome, and now we're in Tuscany. I'm about to show you guys the resort, and then I'll show you my room. Look at this amazing place in the countryside. Gorgeous. They are setting up for a wedding right now. I'm gonna give you a tour of my room because if I never come back, you know where to find me. So this is the upstairs. It's really beautiful. Set up a little welcome section for us, and then the room is downstairs. Look at this cool, like little medieval stairway. Okay, I'm at the Belmont in Tuscany. Okay, look at this bathtub. Dying. Okay, this is the bedroom. Sebastian's crib right next to me. It has a walk-in closet. They already hung some of our things for us. And then there's the best part. It has an outdoor terrace. Look at how beautiful this is. My gosh. There's my husband with Sebastian. I mean, this is stunning. There's Sebastian. Just running non-stop. This place is amazing. I have to show you the view from this side, and then I'll show you guys the rest of the hotel later. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's the Italian countryside. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm gonna go find Sebastian and tell him that he needs to learn Italian because we're never coming home. Should I just stay? I think I should just stay. You guys, I think I've died and gone to heaven. This is my hotel in Tuscany. It's like a beautiful countryside. It is so pretty day. Oh my god. I don't know if I can come back, you guys. I may just move to Tuscany. It's been drizzling all day, which kind of sucks a little bit, but it's also been kind of nice because we have definitely been catching up on our naps. But this place is so beautiful that even when it's raining, it's just so lovely. So you guys, we are in Modena for one day. We're really excited. It's a cute little town. And we are taking Sebastian to the Ferrari Museum, right? Ferrari, he's so excited. You guys, we are in Florence. Super excited to be here because it's literally my favorite city in the entire world. Sebastian is asleep. Luckily, our hotel was able to, sorry, are you guys getting dizzy? Our hotel was able to arrange a babysitter, so she came by for a few hours and played with him because Sebastian definitely has stranger danger, and she came by and she played with him, and he was so excited that she was playing with his cars. And now she's literally just sitting in the room while we go and grab a quick bite so that we can make the most of our nights on vacation. I'm going to show you guys a little bit about my favorite city. Okay, so all the way down there is the Ponte Vecchio. It's like the most famous part of Florence. This is the giant river, the Arno River. So if you're looking for a more touristy spot to stay in, I would suggest one of the hotels right along here because it is walking distance to everything, especially if you have a young kid and you're concerned about car seats or whatnot. But I mean, how beautiful is the city?
Cooking class in Tuscany with my childhood best friend, and we're swimming because we were late to the class and I wanted to show people extra getting some sideways, but we'll see how our food turns out, right? Look at this handmade milk, and then this is for the sauce, and that's the salad. On cooking class.
Hi guys, I'm in Florence still. It's my birthday, and I'm really excited that I get to spend the entire day in Florence, and it's beautiful. Hi Mary. We are sitting in this like beautiful piazza right here. As you can see, my wonderful husband is amazing. He's back at the hotel with Sebastian while mom gets like a 2-hour break and can enjoy a beer. I just love this city so much. I'll show you guys more. So Florence is known for their handmade Italian leather, and there's this like really cool market here. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is one of the markets here in Florence. You can literally get like amazing handmade stuff. It's kind of like their version of a farmer's market. I'll show you guys Florence.
Okay.